Beer's cold. Garage is warm. Oh. Yes, sir. Welcome back, everyone. Another Firewood Inventory update. Let me tell you why. Let me show you why. When the snow flies, they drive. Yesterday, I sold 6 rig baseboard. Today, I just sold 2. I have another guy coming to get 1. What I have left is 2.5. I just spent like 20 minutes dragging all these tarps back up, so I ain't gonna pull them off. Sorry. I'll walk around the end now. 1 cord, 2.5. Brick baseboard. And then in between these 2 posts here, I've got 1.5. So I got 4. 10 brick left. That's what I got. Guy just wanted 1, whatever. But 1 cord, 2 cord, 2 1/3, or 3 1/3. So 10 rick. That's what I got left. And then summer campfire wood. I don't know. I don't even measure this. I got a couple rows. 2 rows? 3 rows? 3 rows. And let's walk in the barn. The last gentleman that left said, "You got a hell of a firewood program." I'm like, well, thanks. Nobody's ever said that before. You just provide reasonable product at a great price, not Joe's junk wood. What is it, Joe? $160 face cord? You're out of your fucking gourd. Anyway, we got about almost a half a face cord of hedge that's been in the barn. When this was cut, it was really yellow. Now it's really purplish, reddish. Sycamore, yeah, all that stuff. But I did drag up another elm tree. Another elm tree. I just sawed it out back, and when I put the door shut, this pile over here fell. So this will be the first pile I pull out of. That's fine, you know. It's not really a big deal. Another 3x4 probably. That's just over one of my big slots. My big slots on my firewood stands 3x3. And then because I just drug it out here and sawed it up. Had a wood splitter sitting right here and just I threw the rounds in here, and then I did it another week. So, because I didn't feel like it. Cold weather. Snow's flying. I can't tell. Maybe it's dust. Nope, it's snow. Anywho, I got another big old elm tree drug up. It was kind of behind the garage here. I've been looking at it for, I don't know. This is really red. Like if you had a white piece of paper, you could really tell. This is really nice elm. Be some nice premium. And then, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I might move the maple to the budget slot, because, I don't know, I think this was 1.7, 1.79, so 1.78, and I had half of this is maple, so I might move it to the premium slot. I don't know, because, I have to do barkless. Really, I thought, like, maybe try to liquidate some of this down, because I am back to work full time, 4/10s. So my one day through the week, I I tended to not do as much because by the time Thursday come around, I was pretty whooped and, well, I work 70 hours a week. What are you talking about? Well, I mean, if you factor in my drive time, it's substantially more. So, anywho, got a firewood update. And that'll be it for now. I should go drop a locust tree, but I don't know. We'll see. Anywho, well, if you tuned in, subscribe, maybe you could retire me. Kidding. Anywho, I'll see y'all on the next one.